Okay, as some of you know, this El Camino came to me with no drivetrain. It was a big block 4-speed at one time. When I got it, it was a nothing. So I managed to get myself a big block. You know, it's out of a motorhome, supposed to be low miles. If you've seen the other video, I did bust it open and take a look. Very clean. Definitely been rebuilt. So I don't know. We'll see how it runs. The proof's in the pudding. We threw an intake manifold on there. I threw a brand new Bellhousing on there, new flywheel, clutch, that kind of stuff. All adds up. I put this new radiator on there, 4-core. She's awful tight between the electric fan and the water pump. I don't know if it's going to work. But we'll give it a go. It'll work till it doesn't. What I'm missing is the 4-speed transmission. Now, if you remember, my buddy Taco was going to come through for me and sell me his. He had won this great Camaro on one of those Facebook waffle things. Great car, looks wonderful. And, you know, the guy's made of money, so he's thrown in this Trimec 5-speed, something or other, big dollar conversion. And I asked him if I could have, you know, his castaways, his droppings, you know, stuff that falls out of his mouth while he's eating. So he's going to sell me the 4-speed. Maybe he'll donate it to the shortcut. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe he's made like that. I don't really know. I guess we'll find out. But anyway, he's on his way here with it now. He'll be here any minute. He just texted me about 10 minutes ago. Said I'll be there in 15 minutes. So I thought, can I get him, Mr. Fancy Pants, to give me a hand to toss this thing in real quick? Can you throw it in by yourself? Sure. Is it fun? Not really. Is it way easier with two people? Yeah. Even if one of them's Taco? Probably. So what did I do? I got him some freshly laundered coveralls here. That might be him. I can hear a car out back. And I laid him out a nice little moving blanket here, nice and clean. Heaven forbid we, you know, mess his hair or get him dirty. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. He's definitely here. So I'm going to sign off for now. And maybe I'll just open the door and we'll just greet him. How's that? All right, hang tight. There he is. It's taco time.
Ronnie!
You made it, buds.
I made it.
All right. You can't see what I put out before this. All right, so we got them all. Look at that. Look at those fancy shoes. What are those, Helly Hansen?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, so we got them dressed. Hard to believe. This is our Muncie M21, I'm told. Looks pretty good. A little leaky. Just the way we like them. I think what we're going to do is we're going to set you guys up on the tripod underneath there. We were going to try and drag it in on this little stand. I just don't think we got the height. So we're just going to drag it in on the cardboard. Kind of like they used to do when Taco was a boy. And we'll get this party started. He really likes the freshly laundered coveralls and the blanket on his side.
You get these anyways. No, you didn't pay for them.
I did pay for them. Where else would I get them from?
Well, you didn't pay for the tranny yet, so I figured.
Some gifts. What is this called? A quick fuel?
Yeah.
So this is a quick fuel carburetor, 750 CFM. We'll be putting that on the El Camino. They brought us some valve covers, small block Chevy. I don't know what they're for yet. We'll tuck those away. You can always make use out of them. And some ceramic coated, what are these, Headman headers? Hooker headers. Out of this 69 Camaro. We'll fit them on something. And also a small block Chevy clutch. Again, we'll find a use for it somewhere. And that's, oh, and then of course the transmission. And he charged us a solid $600 for everything. So
It's called me Santa Claus.
Well, you are dressed in red. Anyway, that's going to do it. Actually, I'm just going to edit this in so it doesn't really matter. I don't need to say goodbye. So yeah, we got some headers, valve covers, carburetor, and transmission minus a shifter. So I don't know, it's probably just...
Oh, your Bellhousing is way tighter than my Bellhousing.
genetics. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I can't see you.
Okay. Gotta come up. We gotta line up those bolt holes. Up. And we're in. Gonna put the bolts on. Look at our mount.
Oh.
Oh no. Sorry everyone. I don't know how much of that you caught, but she just slid right in.
Yeah.
Why don't I take the side of the shifter? Yeah, I got man hands.
Oh yeah.
You see, I'm an old man 2000.
What do you got going on here?
What size is that socket? Where is this oil coming from?
That's a 3/4 inch. The oil came from my old valve covers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not from the tranny.
Awesome.
Price isn't going down, buds.
So I got to clean those valve covers.
I've never used one of these before.
Well,
It's kind of handy.
all right, now we're going to try and put this in for the first time.
Well, hit the exhaust. Now we gotta spin around again.
Yeah. Okay.
Go towards the ass end of the car and slide it in. You know what I'm saying? Can you make it that far or no?
Nope.
Can you do that? Are you in there?
I am. Are we in there?
Yep. We just gotta line this up.
And be. Oh, the pipe strain. Just want to loop that around the tail shaft.
Yep.
There.
Closer. There's one. You got a second one of those?
Is that one smaller? And just like that, she's in.
Install.
Install. I'll put the time of that install up here somewhere for you guys. I don't know what it is right now. Oh yeah, I do. It's 19 minutes from the time of his intro. Not bad. Pretty good. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Your transmission is in and Taco is there. Thank you for the donation, Taco. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
okay.
Cheaper than a baby chick's first word. That's Taco. All right. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.